Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to clear your activity history on Windows 11. So, if you want to improve privacy by deleting activity records from your device or Microsoft account, this hands-on video is for you. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings app. On the left-hand sidebar, you have to select Privacy and Security option to view your privacy-related settings. And then you have to scroll down until you see Activity History under Windows Permission section. And then you have to click on Activity History option to proceed. And then within the Activity History section, look for Clear Activity History. And then you have to click on the Clear option to delete all the stored activity data from your device. And then you have to confirm if prompted. If you want to prevent further storage of your activity, uncheck Store My Activity History on this device. And if you don't want to sync this data to your Microsoft account, make sure to uncheck Send My Activity History to Microsoft as well. And for those with data synced to their Microsoft account, you can clear it by visiting the Microsoft Privacy Dashboard, and that's pretty much it. You have successfully cleared your activity history in Windows 11. Now don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.